There are 4 different types of the Gskier telescope. These telescopes have the best use nowadays. The Gskier telescope is of best use. There are many products available to choose Gskier telescopes, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Gskier telescopes from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gskier Telescope. This is a traveling type of telescope that carries a bag, phone adapter, and wireless remote. It has different features that are here described. You can also check the Gskier Telescope S70400 manual to know about its specification. If you know about the quality optics, these are a 400mm focal length and 70mm aperture. This is also a fully coated optics glass lens with high transmission coatings that create a stunning image. Moreover, it protects your eyes. This is a perfect telescope that can be used by astronomers to explore the stars and moon. Now talk about the magnification. This comes with 2 replaceable eyepieces and one 3x Barlow lens. This 3x Barlow lens multiplies the magnifying power of each eyepiece. It has a 5x24 finder scope with a mounting bracket and crosshair lines inside, making locating objects easily. If you talk about the wireless remote, you will see it has the free addition of one smartphone adapter and one wireless camera remote that helps you to explore the nature of the world's easy screen. This will make your celestial images amazing. Number 2. AZ Space Astronomical Refractor Telescope. Gskier Telescope is the best telescope with an 80mm aperture and focal length to provide the best sky exploring the experience with clarity. To focus on high magnification, it has high transmission coatings of fully coated optical glass so that you can have high-resolution images with brightness and clarity. You can increase your viewing power with a 3x Barlow lens of interchangeable eyepieces. This is a telescope that is known as an ultra-clear refracting Gskier telescope. It has a 400mm focal length and aperture of 80mm. This is best to capture the light picture. It is optical glass coated to enhance the image and to brighten to protect your eyes. It has optimum magnification with 3 replaceable eyepieces. These are 16x, 40x, 80x with a 3x Barlow lens, 6x30 finder scope with mounting bracket. Erect image diagonal makes locating objects more easily. Number 3. Gskier Telescope 600x90mm. This Gskier telescope is accompanied with 600mm focal length and 90mm aperture. The focal ratio is f6.7. This helps to capture better light picture with improved quality, and you will have a better picture of your target. The optical glass is coated with anti-reflective blue film that not only brightens the colors of picture but also protects your eyes from harm. You can get the perfect and crisp views of the faraway objects. The telescope is provided with a tripod that will help you to adjust the telescope according to your desired height and view. The tripod is made of stainless steel. You can adjust the height of the tripod from 31.5 inches to 49 inches. The Gskier telescope comes with 3 eyepieces, 24x, 60x, and 120x. All are interchangeable. The eyepieces have 3x Barlow lens that increase the viewing power. The Gskier telescope has 5x24 finder scope with mounting bracket. Number 4. Gskier Telescope 60mm. This Gskier telescope is equipped with 350mm focal length and 60mm aperture. The focal ratio is f5.8. This helps to capture better light picture with improved quality. The optical glass is coated with anti-reflection blue film that not only brightens the colors of picture but also protects your eyes. You can get the perfect and crisp views. The telescope is provided with a tripod so you can adjust the telescope according to your desired height and view. The tripod is made of aluminium alloy tripod. The Gskier telescope comes with 2 eyepieces. Both are interchangeable. The eyepieces have 3x Barlow lens that increase the viewing power. The Gskier telescope has 5x24 finder scope with mounting bracket. This Gskier telescope is provided with a customized carry bag. This is really beneficial if you are fond of traveling. The tripod stand and the telescope both can be easily carried in the bag wherever you go. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.